Did you decide what colors you want to do?
Yeah, let me get that yellow.
The yellow?
Yep. And the mint.
The mint?
Yeah.
Fun.
And then, let's see, what do you think? Yellow, mint.
White.
White, yeah.
Because I'm sure you'd rather do white than black.
Yeah. And then...
I'm going to have the lavender
green.
would be cute. This is green?
Oh, actually, yeah, you're right.
I'll say the lavender, the blue, the green would be cute. Pink would be cute. You can do... The great thing about this is you can use as many or as, like, not many colors
I think this is what I want.
That's what you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's scooch all the rest of this over. Alright, would you like to introduce us to the camera? There has to be some kind of talking at the beginning.
Oh, so what do you want me to do?
Tell everyone what we're doing.
Do we introduce ourselves?
What?
Do you got like a YouTube page or anything? Like, what's your channel name?
I don't introduce myself like that.
Oh.
I just go tell them what we're doing, introduce you, get into it.
Alright guys, well today we're going to be doing an acrylic pour. This is my first time. I'm Shaw. I'm Tabitha's husband. This is going to be my first time doing this. So let's just get started.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, no, like Shaw said, we're going to be doing an acrylic pour today. This is his first time. He doesn't want to do a flip cup method. He actually has his own idea. So we're just going to see how that goes. We're just doing real basic. We're mixing the acrylic paint with water, and that's what we're going to be pouring. That's good.
Okay.
Normally, I like do a little paint, do a little water, kind of even it out. Okay. You're going to want to... Oh! First off,
oh, yeah,
keep it in the frame.
Yeah.
You want to put the smallest little dab of water in there. So small. Because you don't want it to be what? Okay, a little bit more than that. And then, see, you didn't close it, so it shouldn't be hard to open. Might just be out of white. What is Callie doing? She's like hardcore emo catting.
Watching the outside world.
She's like, oh, I remember when I was out there yesterday. It's so much more pretty in here. I need help. I need help. Shaw! Why'd you just pull the whole thing?
Sorry, I thought that
You
this
got yellow
is...
paint on you. You thought that it was white.
I thought that's the way it opened.
Is that the way that one opened?
No, I thought that it opened like that angle that I was pulling.
There's a little niche there.
Yeah, it's okay. It still closes. See?
I hate you.
And then now it's easier to open. Yay! I'll try to fix it.
You're so stupid.
So today we're going to be tie-dyeing a gray shirt.
Alright, we're using an 8x10. So do you remember what the first thing I told you you're going to want to do is?
Pour the white.
Yeah. Use like the little spout area.
Yeah, plain on it.
Oh, also, fun fact, these are from egg dyeing, like 3 years ago. Came in an egg dyeing kit. Just a little bit. Okay. Okay, Okay, now just set it back down. Set it back down in frame. Oh, no. No, this, take this and spread that out some more. This is just...
I was just going to like pancake batter it.
Yeah, no. That's what you're doing after this. Right now, you're just trying to spread this out. Or you can even actually, here, put that back down. You can actually tilt it. You're just trying to do that because having that on the canvas helps the rest of the paint flow better once you pour it. This is like not even technically like supposed to be seen. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, you're definitely going to get paint on your hands.
That's fine.
Okay. Okay, so now you can start what you want to do in the color order you want to do it in.
That's another acrylic pour done.
See what I'm saying?
How low are you? Because I got a fat hand. And that's another acrylic pour done.
No. You got done.
Oh.
You gotta hit on
And
that.
that's another acrylic pour done. Bloopers. And that's another acrylic pour done.
Look, I just moved both arms.
Yes. And that's another acrylic pour done.
Hey, I need you to bend your knees. We gotta get down further.
Bend the knee.
Yeah.
That's another acrylic pour done. Idiot.
I was like, no, I gotta do it again. You can see my hand. But that was perfect. Your hand's in the frame.
That's another acrylic pour done.